Hi Year 12, these are the questions we went through on Zoom today. So if you missed it or you just need to go over it again, this is the clip that you need to watch. So these questions come from the 2015 HSC paper. Now the instructions are to refer to the critical path diagram to answer questions 14 to 15. Now the critical path is the path we must follow to complete all tasks. The definition is that it's the shortest path to complete all tasks, but as we know from lots of questions, it normally ends up being the longest because we need enough time to complete everything. So I'll just show you what I mean. If we go the shortest way, which is A to B to C to D, 5 plus 2 plus 2, we end up with the shortest path of 9 days, but then we never really get a chance to complete the longer tasks, which take 6 days, 5 days, 4 days, 3 days. And if you imagine this being a car on the assembly line, and it goes this way, but it skips important tasks like, spray painting or putting in the seats, well, when it's finished, it's not finished. It's not a car. So we can't actually follow this path. So what we need to do is look for the critical path, the path where all tasks are complete. So a trick I always use is I go the longest way. This doesn't mean you go to A, B, C and D and pick the longest one, because you'll find that the answer is not 27. You actually have to calculate the longest one. So I'm going to go the longest way. 5 days here, 6 here, 5 here, and then 2 here, and then I end up with 18 days, and my answer is now C. Okay, the next one, question 15. If activity EC is delayed and now takes 6 days, how long will the project be delayed? So EC is up here, and it takes 3 days. Well, originally 3 days, now it takes 6 days. Okay, 6 days. So let me see, I'll follow that path up there now, 6 days. So 5 plus 4 plus 6 now plus 2 gives me 17 days. So, well, I can't finish in 17 days because all the other tasks take 18 days. So anyway, doesn't matter. No difference whether it takes 6 days or not. I still have to follow the critical path of 18 days, and therefore, well, my project is not delayed at all, and therefore it's A, 0 days. Hope this is helpful.